This is HelpScreen and this is how to fix SoundCloud app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to Google Play Store and search for SoundCloud. And here you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. And when they have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So guys, if this solution doesn't work, the second solution is go to the settings. Then from here, go to apps. And then once you are on the apps, you will see here all of the installed application on your phone. So just find the SoundCloud. And after that, go to the storage. And over here guys, make sure to clear the cache and also clear data. From here, you should be able to fix the issue. If this doesn't work guys, the third solution is reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the app, and once it is uninstalled, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again. From there, you will be able to fix the application. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!